Hello everyone, welcome back to my Sherry studio. Today we are going to make some journal art again, and it's going to be Hello June page. I'm using the same set of stamps which I used for my planner because I decided that this is going to be a June design. First I'm sketching with pencil the sign, big sign June. And now I'm organizing the stamps. My idea is that they are going to be around this sign, in this sign, so we have a lot of stamping. I also stamp this cute sign, hello again, I've missed you, June. So, stamping is ready and I think it looks quite nice. So now I'm going to use some inks, and it will be the same inks as I used in my previous movie. So Distress inks and Deco Time and Memento. The same colors except that I'm adding yellow. Yellow from Deco Time and from Memento. And I'm starting with the flowers, and they're going to be yellow. I'm using Deco Time ink, and then I will use Memento ink, and it is going to be a little bit darker. This is my idea, this is how I see it. And for the leaves, 3 colors, green apple, salty ocean and peacock feather. I love this set of colors, they look really cool. What do you think? Now I'm using watercolor pencils because I want to add some dimensions to my project, to the stamps, and I think it's going to look really great. After using watercolor pencils, I'm using a wet brush to just blend it a little bit more. Now I'm going to write the sign June using my Sakura Micron Black fineliner. Let's get rid of these pencil lines. Now I'm adding some details using white Jelly Roll Sakura pen. I have here some nails decoration, and this is confetti, and I'm going to glue it to this beautiful sign. First I will decorate the flowers and the leaves. And then I will cover the whole N letter with this confetti. And the last step is to decorate the rest of the letters. I'm going to draw some stripes and circles with my fineliner. So let's glue the ready sign to our journal. So, what do you think? Hello again, June. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this project as much as I do. And I hope that our June is going to be sunny. So, summer, here we are. Hope to see you soon in my next movie. Bye.